Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best zipper pull kit is probably one of the most underrated tools you can have in your repair kit. Imagine your favorite jacket, backpack, or tent, suddenly rendered useless because of a tiny broken zipper pull. Frustrating, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of zipper pull repair kits, showing you how to quickly and easily fix those pesky zipper problems and extend the life of your favorite items. Number 5. Universal Zipper Pull Replacement Kit, 20 PCS. Is your zipper broken or missing a pull? This kit is the perfect solution. It's designed to easily replace damaged zippers on various items. This kit works with backpacks, suitcases, jackets, and more. You can even lengthen existing zippers for easier use. It's a versatile fix for many of your needs. You'll receive a variety of zipper pulls in different styles and sizes. This ensures you have the right one for almost any zipper repair. You can choose the one you like. The pulls are made from durable materials like TPU, zinc alloy, and PVC. They are built to last and withstand daily wear and tear. You can count on them. Installation is quick and tool-free, saving you time and money. Simply attach it to the zipper head, and it's ready to go. It's like having a new zipper in seconds. This kit is a convenient and practical solution for everyday zipper problems. It's ideal for luggage, jackets, and more. It helps you solve many repairing problems. What we like? This kit offers a wide range of styles and sizes, making it compatible with most zippers. It's a great value, providing multiple options to address various repair needs. If you have a variety of items with broken zippers, this kit is perfect for you, saving you time and money on repairs. What people say. Multiple sizes to work with separate items was the main reason I purchased these. They install very easily. The U-pieces that thread into the zipper are much thicker metal than the original pulls, so they seem promising. Number 4. Meikeer 252-piece zipper repair kit. This versatile kit includes everything you need to repair or replace zippers. It's perfect for bags, tents, luggage, and outdoor gear. With this kit, you can easily extend the life of your belongings. The kit includes various zipper sliders in sizes number 3, number 5, and number 8. Some are lockable, and they are compatible with different zipper types. It ensures you have the right parts for the job. All the zipper sliders are made of metal, ensuring strength and durability. The smooth surface helps in fixing broken zippers effectively. This makes the repair process easier and more reliable. The kit comes with detailed instructions and all the necessary tools. Whether you're replacing a slider or creating a new zipper, the process is straightforward. It is designed for ease of use. The kit comes in a portable plastic case for easy storage and carrying. It keeps all the components organized and identifiable. This makes it easy to find what you need when you need it. What we like? This kit includes a comprehensive set of tools and components for various zipper repairs. The metal sliders are durable and long-lasting. If you are looking for a complete solution with detailed instructions and multiple sizes, this kit will make the repair process easy, whether you're creating a new zipper or handling a zipper slider replacement for an old one. What people say. The zipper pulls are easy to install. The kit comes with a variety of sizes and styles. The product is well made and durable. Number 3. FENGWANGLI 8 pieces zipper pull replacement kit. This is a convenient 8-pack zipper pull replacement kit. It comes in 4 colors and 2 styles. It's designed to easily fix broken zippers on various items. These zipper pulls feature a lobster-style clasp for easy attachment and removal. You don't need any tools to install them, making the process quick and simple. Made with a durable zinc alloy body, stainless steel spring, and electroplated coating, it's built to resist wear and corrosion. This ensures they will last a long time. The replacement zipper pulls attach and detach quickly. Once installed, it will securely hold, providing a reliable solution for your broken zippers. This is perfect for fixing or modifying various accessories. It's suitable for golf bags, jackets, luggage, backpacks, handbags, purses, and boots. We are confident in the quality of this product. If you're not happy with it for any reason, please contact us. We'll take full responsibility and solve your problem quickly. What we like? The unique lobster clasp design allows for quick and easy attachment and removal, without the need for tools. These pulls are made to last, with a durable zinc alloy body. If you like a simple, tool-free solution for replacing zipper pulls on your bags or jackets, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They worked great on small zipper holes, especially on jackets and bags where originals broke off. They open and close smoothly, feel sturdy for their size, and the different color options make it easy to match whatever you're fixing. One nice thing about these pulls is that they are open unlatched when received and can be inserted in a fairly small opening in the zipper slider without having to open the slider itself. Number 2. Zipper Repair Kit, Fix Jackets, Backpacks, Luggage. Tired of broken zippers? This kit is your solution. It's designed for easy fixes, saving you time and money on tailor visits. This kit works on various zippers, including those on jeans, coats, and more. You can easily repair your clothes at home. The replacement zippers are made of durable metal. They are built to last, ensuring a long-term fix for your garments. Just buckle it and it's fixed. The kit includes various zipper sizes and accessories. It provides everything you need to solve most zipper problems. Make sure to confirm the size before purchase. With the included plier, installation is quick and simple. It snaps on in seconds, making the repair process fast and efficient. It's easy to install and has a long service life. This kit is compatible with common zipper sizes for jackets, coats, skirts, and slacks. It's a versatile solution for all your zipper repair needs. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of zippers and includes an instant plier for easy installation. The premium metal replacement zippers are durable and long-lasting. If you are looking for a quick and easy fix for your broken zippers, this kit will have you fixing zippers in a flash. What people say. Everything was intact, all was nice, worked well. Needed to fix a zipper on my luggage after it was damaged on our last flight. Airlines do not treat your baggage carefully, and how they managed to rip the zipper from the outer pocket I'll never find out. Anyway, after finding the right size piece, it took less than a minute to save me from having to buy a new suitcase. I'm sure the other pieces will come in handy to fix future mishaps. It has everything I needed to fix the zippers in my camper. Number 1. Zipper Repair Kit, 52 PCS, for number 5 zippers. Do you have jackets, coats, or bags with broken zippers? This kit is designed to help you fix them quickly and easily. It's a convenient solution for common zipper problems. This zipper repair kit works on various items like jackets, pants, and backpacks. It addresses issues such as split tracks and broken sliders. You can easily repair your clothes at home. This kit is specifically designed for number 5 zippers. It includes different types of replacement zippers, such as nylon, plastic, and metal. It's perfect for a variety of your repair needs. The kit includes multiple replacement zippers and stops. It provides everything you need to fix your zippers. Please make sure it fits your zipper type before you purchase. The replacement zippers are made of premium metal. They are durable and long-lasting. You can fix your zippers in seconds without sewing or going to a tailor. With the help of pliers, it's easy to install. This kit saves you time and effort. It snaps on in seconds and works like new. We offer 24-hour online after-sale support. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for number 5 zippers, ensuring a perfect fit for compatible items. The high-quality metal and easy installation make it a reliable choice. If you have items with number 5 zippers and need a simple, effective repair solution, this kit is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to fix my jacket. Works well. Saved some of my favorite clothes. It was easy. Remove the upper stop, slide the zipper on, then clap the new stop in place. Took about a minute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.